We are down to the final week. If you haven't booked your place for the LCANA National Conference on January the 24th, you are missing out on the biggest LCA event of the year. We've got heavy hitters. Minister for Education and Youth, Hildegarde Naughton, opens the show. Patrick Hickey on using AI in your classroom, and Oide breaking down the new SPHE specification, practical tools you can use on Monday morning. But it's not just speakers and workshops. We've got goodie bags for every attendee, incredible spot prizes throughout the day, a room packed with exhibition stands and resources, and free coffee from the Dublin Barista School. Get inspired by the Classroom to Careers theme. Hear from Ava Thompson, former LCA student turned teacher, and Vicky O'Reilly from Uniform on employer links. We close with the prestigious Feargal Quinn National Awards with Eamonn Quinn. It's all happening at the Shamrock Lodge Hotel for just €30. The value is insane and time is running out. Use the QR code on the screen or link to the LCA-association.com and grab your spot now.